everyone, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. You can hide likes on Instagram in a few different ways. So to start, open Instagram and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. Once you're here, click the gear icon at the top, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From here on the left side, scroll down to what you see, then tap Like and Share Counts. Then turn on Hide Like and Share Counts. So toggle it on just like so. So this hides the number of likes on posts in your feed, but it doesn't affect whether others can see likes on your post. Next, you can also hide like counts on an existing post. So go back to the main page, then click your profile, open the post, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and click Hide Like Count to Others. If you later want to show the like count again, repeat the steps and tap on Hide Like Count. So tap and hide like count to others, and that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.